done, girl. Well done. Louise, what did we think?
Oh, Molly, I think you've got a lovely, sweet voice. I can't wait to hear your recorded version of that because the quality's not great on here, but you do the best you can. And you've got a lovely, lovely, sweet tone to your voice. The top range, when you hit those notes, there's definitely some power there. And I think with some help and some coaching, we can really bring that out of you. But there's so much potential with you. And I think like the way that you perform, I don't think you know the potential that you've got because you're quite kind of internal when you perform. So have a little bit more confidence in yourself and give it some welly like in the future because I really do think you can go places with your voice because you pitching and everything is spot on. I think that was a really lovely song for you as well. So well done, lovely audition.
Kelly?
Yeah, it's so nice to hear you singing again because the last time we saw you, you were in a duo. So just to hear you on your own and just to experience the amount of growth that you've had in your voice is just lovely. You're so much thicker now in your lower register and the control was just effortless. I thought that was really, really beautiful. The sound kept going a little bit on this end. So like Louise said, it's going to be so nice to hear it when it's put together with the music because then we can fully appreciate just how much growth you've had. But that was a really, really beautiful audition. Well done.
Yeah, Molly, do you know what? Like obviously last season we put you into a duo with Mia. And like after hearing you per there then, like yeah, the sound weren't perfect, but from the parts that I heard, your voice sounded so much more grown and so much more just grown up and a lot more thicker. And to hear you like that makes me think, right, yeah, there she is as a solo artist, bang on. So 100% that's how I feel, you know, after seeing this today. And I definitely agree, like when we hear this with the music behind on a recorded video, we will definitely hear the full of it. But the song suits you perfectly. And that's not something I would have selected for you. But after hearing that, I definitely think, oh my God, actually, this suits her really well. So fantastic audition, right? What we're going to do now, we're going to go to a vote. All right, so Louise?
Yeah, Molly, I'm going to say yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
100% from me. 3 yeses we want to...